You are using your computer and it starts to feel slow, so you open Task Manager to see what is going on and you see this. Your RAM usage is very high. If that is not the case and your system is running on a hard drive, you may consider upgrading to an SSD. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. So, now you decide that you want to add more memory to your computer, but you don't know how. Don't worry! Hi, I'm Mr. Green and today I will show you how to upgrade RAM in a desktop computer. First, I will go through buying process and theory and then through the installation process. Let's get started. When you are buying RAM, you need to keep in mind that all sticks that are going to be in the same computer should be the same. Same model, same capacity, same speed and same latency. That information is visible on the sticker on the RAM stick. And you should always have even number of RAM sticks in your computer. That will get you the best performance. But you may ask, how much RAM should I have in my computer? That depends on the use case. I think 8 gigs is a standard in 2020. In my opinion, 16 gigs is a sweet spot for gaming and for a beginner video editor. 32 gigs is in my opinion good enough for 4K video production, but you can definitely utilize 64 gigs. I would not go above that unless you're a professional graphics designer or you are working in a 3D computer space. How fast RAM should I have in my computer? In my opinion, sweet spot is 3200 MHz. Higher speed RAM will mostly benefit 3rd gen Ryzen processors only. Before we begin with installation process, smash the like button and consider subscribing. First, you need to shut the computer down and turn the power supply off and open the side panel. Then, check the motherboard manual to see in which slots to put RAM in. Then you should push those levers on the sides of a slot. You might need to do it on both sides of the slot or just on one. That varies from motherboard to motherboard. Make sure DIMMs are properly aligned with notches in the sockets and push RAM in. When you hear a click, RAM is properly installed. To remove RAM stick, you should push those same levers down and pull the stick out. Then you should turn on your power supply. If you have removed your old RAM completely and installed in new RAM or just installing RAM for the first time in this computer, then you will need to set XMP profile in the BIOS. To enter the BIOS, you should spam the delete button on keyboard when your computer is turning on. Every motherboard has a different BIOS, so when you do this, it might look a bit different. But you should go in Advanced Settings and then AI Picker and select Settings right for your memory. Settings should be same as our information on your RAM stick. Then you should exit the BIOS and save settings. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please comment down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. See ya in the next video. Bye.